This was the scene just 5 weeks ago as Marathon Engineering prepared to depart from Kingston. Their horizontal, directional drilling work had enabled the installation of a new waterline. You can see the two liners here. Elsewhere on the site, Sousa Ready Mix were preparing to introduce curbing. On the north side of the store, a fire escape was being installed. All the while, Sousa are adding new sidewalks to the mix. Connections for the new water line are being added at either end. And Sousa, masters of the curbing machine, are busy once again. New water lines have to be proofed, cleaned, and chlorinated. On the north edge of the site, a new sewer line has to be installed. Work on the site margins is just as important as any other task. This will be the new entrance from Sir John A, and you can see the new fire escape. Just a month ago, the access points for the water line remain open. Work to level, grade, and compact the car park continue. Events take a welcome turn when it becomes clear that the water line is to be buried. Work with concrete is a near daily occurrence. Whilst an electrician wires up a street light, the Sousa crew is constantly busy. By mid-April, work on the car park is beginning to see grading, preparing the ground for paving. Black and McDonald and Tomlinson are busy on Sir John A, installing new traffic lights and street lights. It's particularly good to welcome Westgate Landworks, who are planting trees and shrubs. Their contributions can be seen too on the west side, where fire escapes are being added by Willis Manufacturing. Just 2 weeks ago, the asphalt crew arrived. And you can see here what the situation was. The paving work went really well. Fine conditions made for rapid progress. And all the while, other minor works continued in the background. This was the scene just over a week ago. Paving work, like so many other tasks in construction, demands considerable skill and experience to go well. Out on Sir John A, it's a considerable achievement to keep traffic flowing relatively smoothly. Back on site, landscaping work looks really good. You can tell things are drawing to a close when you start to see the trolley return sheds going up. There is, though, still some work to be done around the garden centre. It's good to see concern for public safety extending to escorted access across a busy junction. This was the scene just days ago as the final paving work began. Things are shaping up at the garden centre, but there's still work to be done. As a quick aside, here's the space that used to be the east water access point. Small control adjustments ensure that the asphalt is laid perfectly. And that brings us right up to date. I don't think there can be much doubt that we're days away from an opening announcement. It will take a little while, but not long, before the access from Sir John A appears. In the meantime, attention must be focused on this sign.